Listen in first to Arvind Kejriwal, who's speaking at the moment.
उनका आशीर्वाद दिया। आज हम अपना पर्चा भरने के लिए जा रहे हैं। दिल्ली के सभी लोगों का आशीर्वाद चाहते हैं।
ये झाड़ू हटाओ।
अरे भैया हटा दो बिना उसके भी
पूरी उम्मीद है।
अबे झाड़ू उसके मुंह पे थोड़ी मारनी है, वो तो लोग तो वही देखेंगे ना।
भ्रष्टाचार दूर करने के लिए, रिश्वतखोरी दूर करने के लिए, दिल्ली के लोगों की जिंदगी जो बेहाल हो चुकी है, पिछले 1 साल से दिल्ली के अंदर चुनाव नहीं कराए जा रहे थे। अब चुनाव होने वाले हैं और दिल्ली को चुनी हुई सरकार मिलेगी। दिल्ली के सभी लोग कह रहे हैं कि वो 49 दिन की सरकार वापस चाहिए। जिस तरह से 49 दिन में महंगाई दिल्ली में कम की थी, रिश्वतखोरी बंद की थी, आज पूरी दिल्ली मांग कर रही है कि हमें वो 49 दिन अब 5 साल में बदलने हैं। और आप सब लोग, आज आप लोगों का जुनून देख के मुझे पूरा विश्वास हो रहा है कि इस बार आम आदमी पार्टी पूरे बहुमत से जीतने वाली है। लेकिन हम लोगों को मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी। अगले 15 दिन हम लोग खूब मेहनत करेंगे। हमारे पास चाहे चुनाव लड़ने के पैसे नहीं है, लेकिन हम लोग सच्चाई के रास्ते पे चल रहे हैं और ईश्वर हमारे साथ है, भगवान हमारे साथ है। लेकिन एक चीज है, हमें अफवाहों से बचना पड़ेगा। भारतीय जनता पार्टी अफवाहों की, झूठ बोलने की मशीन है। और मुझे पूरा यकीन है आप लोगों की फिर से जीत होगी। जैसे पिछले साल आप लोगों ने इतिहास रचा था, दिल्ली ने इतिहास रचा था, 10 फरवरी को फिर से दिल्ली इतिहास रचने वाली है दोस्तों।
Right, there's an upbeat and enthusiastic Arvind Kejriwal there, starting his roadshow from Valmiki Mandir. He will be filing his nomination papers this afternoon. In fact, he will also be campaigning in Kiran Bedi's constituency as well this evening, taking her on directly. However, Kiran Bedi so far has refused to engage in any sort of a public debate with Arvind Kejriwal. Though interestingly, even though the challenge was meant for Kiran Bedi, Ajay Maken seems to have jumped into the fray, agreeing to a debate. Now, Arvind Kejriwal there, starting his roadshow. The Aam Aadmi Party expects about 10,000 people to gather for that roadshow. Ankit Tyagi is now joining us with more details. Ankit, there's an enthusiastic crowd there surrounding Arvind Kejriwal. What are the preparations on to make this an eye-catching event?
दोस्तों, यहाँ से काफिला निकल रहा है। आप लोग धीरे धीरे आगे की तरफ बढ़ना शुरू करिए। आगे की तरफ बढ़ना शुरू करिए आप लोग।
Ankit, are you there with us? All right, it appears that Ankit is hardly able to hear us because of the loud noise over there. Arvind Kejriwal's enthusiastic supporters shouting slogans. Ankit, we can hear you. So if you can hear us, take us through what kind of preparations have been put in place today to make this a gala, a grand affair rather, for Arvind Kejriwal.
Show has in fact begun right now. Arvind Kejriwal starting after that short speech, and you can see him flanked by all the senior leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party. There is Manish Sisodia, there is Asutosh, there is Sanjay Singh, Shehnaz Hindustani, all of them along with Bhagwant Mann, the MP from the Aam Aadmi Party, on that truck that Arvind Kejriwal is in fact on. And there are a lot of people, those who have come. It's a very narrow lane, and about 2,000 to 3,000 volunteers and supporters of Aam Aadmi Party are here right now. So of course, as of now, it seems that there are only white caps, the Aam Aadmi Party caps, that have completely flanked the entire area here. This is going to be almost a 2 hours long road show. There are 4 to 5 vehicles that Arvind Kejriwal's convoy would be traveling. There will be 3 trucks, one for media, there is one sound truck, and also other for his supporters. You can just right now see Arvind Kejriwal there passing through right in front of our cameras, in fact, and all these brooms, the Jhadu symbol of Aam Aadmi Party, that is being waved all across. In fact, Bhagwant Mann has now taken over the mic. He's trying to bring in that enthusiasm, instill more energy as far as his supporters are concerned. All of them are ready for this long haul. Arvind Kejriwal is expected to address the crowd at various junctures, and of course then he will go before 3 o'clock to file his nomination.
All right, so 3,000 to 4,000 supporters of Arvind Kejriwal have gathered outside Valmiki Mandir, from where the Aam Aadmi Party chief's road show has started. All the supporters brandishing brooms there. The big question, will the broom rule? Answer only on the 10th of February, when the results for the Delhi elections will be out.